Iziqinisekiso zesiXhosa. isiXhosa affirmations. Ndiyakhula. I am growing. Ndinesibindi. I'm brave. Ndizihloniphile. I respect myself. Ndinyanisekile. I am honest. Ndinamacebo. I have ideas. Ndinesiphiwo. I'm gifted. Yonke into ngam inje ngokuba bekufanele injalo. Everything about me is as it should be. The full series of Iintsomi and short stories will be available on our Balisanathi tier on Patreon. Printable versions of the stories will also be available for download. Link in the bio.
Ze niphinde nibuye nizokuqhubeka ufunda isiXhosa no-Under Penguin neetshomi zakhe. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye!